Welcome back to Quiz Vault. Ready for the ultimate football challenge? Let's play. Who has the higher salary percentage? Cristiano Ronaldo 77%, Lionel Messi 23%. Who earns the larger salary share? Kylian Mbappe 54%, Erling Haaland 46%. Who has the bigger salary percentage? Mohamed Salah 40%, Karim Benzema 60%. Who takes the larger salary share? Jude Bellingham 65%, Vinicius Jr. 35%. Who earns the higher percentage? Sadio Mane 48%, Neymar Jr. 52%. Who has the larger salary share? Robert Lewandowski 58%, Kevin De Bruyne 42%. Who gets the bigger percentage? Harry Kane 61%, Antoine Griezmann 39%. Who has the higher salary percentage? Luka Modric 45%, Mohamed Kudus 55%. Who earns the larger share? Son Heung-min 57%, Bruno Fernandes 43%. Who has the bigger salary percentage? Rodri 38%, Bernardo Silva 62%. Who takes the larger share? Bukayo Saka 52%, Declan Rice 48%. Who earns the higher percentage? Virgil van Dijk 63%, Trent Alexander-Arnold 37%. Who has the larger salary share? Federico Valverde 47%, Eduardo Camavinga 53%. Who gets the bigger percentage? Alisson Becker 56%, Thibaut Courtois 44%. Who has the higher salary percentage? João Felix 41%, Jack Grealish 59%. Who earns the larger share? Marcus Rashford 64%, Raheem Sterling 36%. Who has the bigger salary percentage? Paulo Dybala 51%, Lautaro Martinez 49%. Who takes the larger share? Martin Odegaard 44%, Kai Havertz 56%. Who earns the higher percentage? Rafinha 67%, Frenkie de Jong 33%. Who has the larger salary share? Pedri 46%, Gavi 54%. Who gets the bigger percentage? Gabriel Martinelli 58%, Gabriel Jesus 42%. Who has the higher salary percentage? Hwang Hee-chan 60%, Kim Min-jae 40%. Who earns the larger share? Christian Pulisic 55%, Weston McKennie 45%. Who has the bigger salary percentage? Victor Osimhen 72%, Romelu Lukaku 28%. Who takes the larger share? Vicha Kvaratskhelia 43%, Ousmane Dembele 57%. Who earns the higher percentage? Achraf Hakimi 62%, Marquinhos 38%. Who has the larger salary share? Rafael Leão, 69%. Theo Hernandez, 31%. Who gets the bigger percentage? Leroy Sané, 52%. Kingsley Coman, 48%. Who has the higher salary percentage? Serge Gnabry, 57%. Thomas Müller, 43%. Who earns the larger share? Florian Wirtz, 39%. Jamal Musiala, 61%. Who has the bigger salary percentage? Ilkay Gündoğan, 48%. Nicolo Barella, 52%. Who takes the larger share? Federico Chiesa, 54%. Dusan Vlahovic, 46%. Who earns the higher percentage? Mason Mount, 63%. Bruno Guimaraes, 37%. Who has the larger salary share? Savino, 42%. Anthony, 58%. Who gets the bigger percentage? Lisandro Martinez, 56%. Matthijs de Ligt, 44%. Who has the higher salary percentage? Juan Palinha, 37%. Joshua Kimmich, 63%. Who earns the larger share? Dominic Szoboszlai, 51%. Alexis McAllister, 49%. Who has the bigger salary percentage? Darwin Nunez, 66%. Luis Diaz, 34%. Who takes the larger share? Cody Gakpo, 45%. Diogo Jota, 55%. Who earns the higher percentage? William Saliba, 59%. Gabriel Magalhaes, 41%. Who has the larger salary share? Ronald Araujo, 53%. Jules Koundé, 47%. Who gets the bigger percentage? Mike Maignan, 36%. Gianluigi Donnarumma, 64%. Who has the higher salary percentage? Mason Greenwood, 49%. Jadon Sancho, 51%. Who earns the larger share? Sergei Milinkovic-Savic, 71%. Ruben Neves, 29%. Who has the bigger salary percentage? Kalidou Koulibaly, 68%. João Cancelo, 32%. Who takes the larger share? Riyad Mahrez, 74%. Roberto Firmino, 26%. Who earns the higher percentage? N'Golo Kante, 57%. Fabinho, 43%. Who has the larger salary share? Marcelo Brozovic, 46%. Aymeric Laporte, 54%. Who gets the bigger percentage? Ivan Perisic, 61%. Dusan Tadic, 39%. Who has the higher salary percentage? Thiago Silva, 35%. Edinson Cavani, 65%.